Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to be doing another install. Here I've got a Mountune high flow induction hose. We're going to be installing this on my MK8 Fiesta ST. I think it's the first one of these that I've actually seen. So yeah, I've gone for the blue because if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that I really like the blue theme that this car has. I've changed the badges, the ST badges, from the red ones to the blue. It's all blue inside. So sticking with the blue theme, I've got one of these in blue. So I'm going to take you step by step what you need to do to install one of these, and then we're going to see what it looks like after. I'm really excited. This is one of the first sort of bigger changes that I'm making to the car. So yeah, let's jump straight into it, guys, and get this installed. Right, so first of all, guys, this is the pipe that we are going to be changing, and yeah, it's just a direct replacement, so it should be easy enough. So first of all, we're going to be undoing these Jubilee clips. Just take a screwdriver to those and then undo them. You only need to undo them so far so that then they can move and then they're loose. There's another one at the back here, and just do the same for that. Now that's done, I'm just going to pull the pipe off of the airbox and then pull it off of the other pipe that it's connected to. And then that just comes straight out. So with the Mountune pipe, I also bought the Mountune Jubilee clips, which I am going to be using to fit this with. Now we're going to take the Mountune pipe. I'm going to slide under here, slide it into the back pipe first, whilst moving it onto the airbox. Now it's going to take some wiggling and a lot of elbow grease, but you should be able to push it on to both pipes. Now it probably would have made a lot more sense to actually put the Jubilee clips on before I fitted the hose, but I've just undone them and placed them over the pipe. So if you guys want to do it before, then that's not a problem. It was probably a lot easier. I'm just going to take those, put them near the edge but not to the edge, but over the lip of where this connects, and then do them up. Now the front one's done, I'm just going to do the back one. Now once you're happy with how tight the Jubilee clips are, you're pretty much finished. Now you do get given with this pipe an auto clean packet with some silicone hose wipes in, so you can use that to clean it up if you think it's a little bit dirty. I'm going to leave it for now as I'm going to be cleaning the car soon anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much the install. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, hit me that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button too. Now, just in case you guys are wondering what it sounds like, I'm just going to turn on the engine and give you a little bit of a noise test.